AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Brand Model Definitions. If you want to define brand and model in your stock cards in WOLVOX 8, and you want to customize your stock reports with these definitions, you can make these definitions in the Brand Model Definitions field. You can then select these definitions on your stock card. To make a definition, click the Brand Model Definitions button from the Definitions list in the Stock Management menu. After defining the brand on the left side of the window, you can define the brand model you have created on the right side. Open any of your stock cards to associate the brand's models you have created with your stocks. You can select the relevant brand model from the Brand Model section in the upper right area in the General Information tab of the stock card. You can also access brand model definitions from this selection screen. You can also select which brands and models your stock is compatible with via the button you see on the screen.